The integrated garage door opener can activate systems such as garage doors, security systems, or house lights from inside the vehicle. To begin, be sure the vehicle is in park and within range of the receiver with the ignition switched on. From the home screen, press the status bar to open the notification center. Then select the Home Link icon. If this is the first transmitter being programmed, follow the on-screen instructions. Select Yes, Program Now. Now hold the transmitter near the rearview mirror. Press and hold the button on the transmitter. The garage door will activate. Continue holding the button until a message appears confirming successful programming. If the garage door opener has a single fixed code, a prompt will appear asking if the GPS position should be stored. When active, this will automatically display the control for the opener when the location is nearby. Once the GPS location is stored, a message will appear asking to rename the opener. Enter a descriptive name for the transmitter using the speller function. When complete, you will receive a confirmation message. If the garage door opener uses rolling codes, the process will be slightly different. When the transmitter button is pressed near the rearview mirror, the prompt will ask to synchronize with the garage door opener. Make sure the vehicle is in park and near the receiver. Select Yes, Synchronize Now. If the garage door is moving, wait until it stops before proceeding. Now, press the garage door icon in the display for 2 seconds, release for 3 seconds, then press for 2 seconds again. A prompt in the display will ask if the garage door is moving. If so, select Yes, and synchronization is complete. If the garage door did not move, press and hold the icon again for 2 seconds, up to 3 more times. If the door still does not move, select No to answer the prompt. On the garage door opener, press the Learn or Set button. See the device manual for details. Then, within 30 seconds, complete the synchronization procedure by pressing the garage door icon twice for 2 seconds each, with a 3-second pause in between. Once the garage door moves, select Yes, and synchronization is complete. To program additional transmitters, from the home screen, select Vehicle, Settings and Service, and then touch Garage Door Opener. Select a button location. Then follow the instructions in the MMI as with the first transmitter. To modify or delete transmitter controls, select Vehicle, then Settings and Service. Touch Garage Door Opener. Available program transmitters will appear. To edit the name, touch the pencil icon and enter a new name for the device. To delete a controller, select the checkbox and then Delete. A request prompt will appear. When selected, a confirmation screen verifies deletion. If equipped with a programmable Quick Access button on the steering wheel, the garage door opener can be assigned to this button for ease of use. Select Vehicle, Settings and Service, and then Steering Wheel button assignment. Select Garage Door Opener. This function is now assigned to the button. Pressing it will activate the garage door opener.